Today I'm going to review the Viltrox 50mm f1.4 Pro, the latest Pro lens for full-frame cameras from Viltrox. All Viltrox Pro lenses I reviewed so far were exceptional. Is this the case with the 50mm? Let's find out. Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima, I'm a professional travel photographer and I love reviewing lenses in beautiful locations. So if that is your thing, subscribe. The lens, like most Viltrox Pro lenses, is very well built, metal mount. On the mount you can find an USB Type-C port and a rubber gasket, because this lens is weather sealed. The aperture ring is metal, it has clicks, but it can be also declicked with this switch on the side of the lens. The ring is well damped and it is a joy to use. It can also be locked in A, and it locks firmly in place, as you can see here. The focus ring is metal, turns smoothly and it is well damped. On the other side you have an AF/MF switch and a function button that you can set as you please to make your life easier. The weight of the lens is around 800 grams depending on the mount. The minimum focus distance is 45 centimeters. Very good, but more on this later. The optical structure is 15 elements in 11 groups. It has 11 aperture blades and the filter size is 77 millimeters. The design of the lens is modern and simple. It has engraved markings and the subtle grey Pro badge. The Viltrox logo is also small. I like that. No big branding is a plus in my opinion. I also really like this old school red dot here that helps you mount the lens on your camera. The lens hood is petal shaped and it is very well made from good quality plastic. The same with the lens cap. This fits the lens very well. The autofocus for photography is fast and accurate, and while I used the lens, I never had a missed shot. The autofocus for video again is really good and accurate, as you can see here. Also, good news for videographers. It has no focus breathing. And I loved using this lens for video in Leon, Spain, with a variable ND and a mist filter. Flares. As you can see here, you can see some flares if you shoot directly into a powerful source of light, but they look good and they don't lower contrast that much. Chromatic aberrations are very well controlled. There is no purple fringing wide open. When it comes to Loca, you can see just a bit wide open, barely noticeable, stop down to f2.8 and they go away. When it comes to image quality at minimum focus distance, the lens is a bit soft at f1.4, but with enough details. For the best performance you need to stop down to f2.8. The bokeh of the lens looks great in my opinion, with a swirl effect sometimes, and the transition from in-focus to out-of-focus is nice and smooth, as you can see in these photos here. Now let's talk about sharpness and contrast. Starting from f1.4, the lens is really sharp in the center of the frame with good contrast. The same with the mid-frame, and surprise, the corners are sharp as well, but slightly softer than the center and a bit dark from vignetting. Stopping down to f2.8 adds a bit more contrast to the overall image. The corners look brighter and sharper. Stopping down further to f4 just brightens the corners because the image is already very sharp with amazing contrast and micro contrast. This is maybe the best 50mm lens I have tested so far on the channel. This lens is going to make even the most demanding photographers and pixel peepers very happy. This lens earns its Pro badge, like one of you said about the 85mm. And finally, sun stars. You get sun stars from f5.6, but if you want them to look great, just stop down to f8 or f11. I love how this lens renders colors, and I enjoyed using it in the sunny city of León, Spain, and in Oviedo. I like that even if it is a super sharp lens, it still has a bit of vintage character when it comes to colors from its coatings. Overall, a great new addition to the Pro line and Viltrox line of lenses. Super well built, love the aperture ring with clicks, fast reliable autofocus, and the image quality is amazing, starting from f1.4. This lens is going to make a lot of photographers really happy because it also has a great price of $500. As I said multiple times, I really hope Viltrox is going to make a zoom lens soon. That would be awesome. What do you think about this lens? Tell me in the comments below. Some of you watch my videos but haven't subscribed yet. Subscribing really helps the channel grow and makes more lens and camera reviews possible. I'd truly appreciate it. And if you want to support the channel even more, use the affiliate links in the description with no extra cost to you. Thank you for watching, I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.